Hi, I'm Veronica at Stash, and today we're going to be talking about adding length and setting up our stitches for double crochet. I want to chat about when a pattern instructs you to switch to maybe your next row is going to be a double crochet. You may have been previously single crocheting and you're in the zone, chaining one up, turning, and then single crocheting across. But double crochet has a slightly different strategy to approach. So I want to show you how to do it. So my pattern that I'm looking at wants me to chain 3 and then turn. And the reason it wants me to chain 3 is so that it will create more length, because double crochet is a longer stitch vertically than single crochet. Let's demonstrate. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. And now I have this long vertical, turn, and now I'm going to set up my working yarn. I have to pinch, it's a little uncomfortable, but I want to pinch down where I'm going in. So we don't want to work into any of those chains, and we need to go into the first stitch that the chain is not in, which is right here. So 2, double crochet, yarn over first, whoa, then go in through the stitch, yarn over again, pull through. Look at this madness, 3 things. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I have a nice vertical double crochet. I'll show you that again. Find that stitch, next stitch you're going into down there. Make sure you have both bars. Yarn over first, in through the stitch, yarn over again. You have 3 things on that hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. You're back down to 1 loop and life is good. That is a double crochet.